Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here in my Ford truck, and today I'm showing you a product, and I bought this myself off Amazon. It's not sponsored, and this thing here is from Cup Holder Hero, and it's called Premium Vehicle Liners. So double raised edge, supported 3D texture, convenient handle, easy clean and installation, stays in place, durable material. Well, it can't be any better than that, right? And okay, you got a lot of material in here for the price. It did not cost much. I can't remember how much it was. I'll put it in the description. It wasn't expensive. So why did I buy something like this? I'll tell you. Look at this. You open this nice compartment here in the middle console, and that's a microfiber towel that I put in, but underneath hard plastic. Okay, so that's hard plastic. In here a little bit of rubber, but kind of hard. In the glove box everything hard plastic. So when I have it can be tools or a pen, heck, it can be anything laying in there. It just rolls around and it makes sounds that are not pleasant, you know, and I was kind of tired of that. So that's why I bought this. So we'll drop those in and problem solved. And I can put them in these door boxes here too. Hard plastic, and these cubbies here, hard plastic. So there should be one for everything. I don't know if I use all of them. Like here, I'm not sure I need it for this one, because there's a liner in here from Ford, see? That's rubber, that's okay. I'm not sure I need it for these, because there's a little liner in here already. Of course I can't get it out. Here, see? So easy to clean. That's what Ford puts in their vehicles. So will I put it in the cup holders or not? I don't know, but I will for sure put it in the glove box and in the console here, and maybe there, we'll see. So let me unpack this and show you the product and show you what it looks like when it's installed. All right, can I just be honest with you? This here is terrible. I mean, there are all kinds of floppy plastic pieces here. Look at that, so many, and they all have different shapes, and I have no clue where they go. They look, you know, like generic stuff like this. It's not gonna go there. Where does that go? I mean, I don't know where they go. Like this one here. I found the one for the console here, and it doesn't fit. See the corner there? Does not fit. So they needed to cut the corner out, which they didn't do. They didn't know that. I looked up the app, and it shows numbers, but then the product isn't numbered. There's no number on those rubber pieces. So I think this was a fail, to be honest. I think this might be a good product, but it's not as easy as they say, that you just take them and plop them right in and then you're good. Like, I can't find one for the glove box, and that's important. So I'll have to go through them, find something that fits the glove box, at least a couple other places, and the rest I'll put them in a bag and do it another time when I have more time, because I'm out of time right now. Since I'm out of time, yeah, Cup Holder Hero, good idea, but the way it's done, no, not the best idea. So no, I do not recommend this unless you know exactly what you need, or you can buy maybe buy a smaller package than this, but I didn't see one. All right guys, yeah, that's how it goes. Sometimes I have big success with cheap parts, and sometimes I don't with accessories. So all right guys, guess what? After messing around with this crap here for almost half an hour, none of it is really matching. No matter where I try, if it is here or in the door, it's always off, never really matching. I don't know what's going on with it, but I'm gonna send it back. So Cup Holder Hero might be good if you have a matching set, but this set here can't be for this vehicle. There must be a mistake, and if not, they have really bad eyes. All right, so sadly not a good outcome with this review here, And again, as a reminder, this is something I bought. I didn't get this sent to me or sponsored, so that's why I want my money back. I'll send it back. All right, guys, have a good night, good evening, whatever it is, and come back for another video. Thanks for your support.